Good morning, everyone. I'm going to wait until few people hop on. By the time let me get ready for the things I need to do. So if you are hopping on, say hi, and if you are watching the replay, type hashtag replay. That will bump the post, and many people will be able to see it. That really helps. And happy hump day to everyone, and hope you all are getting ready for the long weekend. For us, we are going to paint the second floor, to be precise. We did the first floor around November or December, and we had such a break. So we are going to finish it over the long weekend. That's the plan for us to do. So what's your plan? If you have anything, you can always share with me. And for today's look, as I mentioned, I have did the eye look using red, white and blue. So the colors I have picked, I will show what I have done, and I am also going to show a few options for you to try. What I have done is I have done candlelight to color correct all over, and then I have used a bandana shimmer for the red part. You can use I didn't bring it. Oh, I think I forgot. Oh no, it's here. Yeah, you can use, there are two options. Either you can do a look with shimmery shadows, or you can go with matte shadows. So I have chosen bandana shimmer, which is like has a little bit of glitters to it. You can pick red, which is a matte eyeshadow. So the choice is always yours. I have used bandana shimmer for my crease. That's the color I have used. And as I said, I have used candlelight to color correct. You can always use natural tan or tiara too. And for the blue, I have used denim. Here I have gone with a matte shadow. The same way you can choose if you're I have chosen denim. Denim is the one I have done for the outer corner to darken it a bit. You can go with the lapis glitter, which is like a blue with the shimmer. You can always do sapphire shimmer too. This will be little lighter blue, but you can still do this. So it's always based on your preference, whether you want it to be the look to be completely matte. For example, if you want it to be completely matte, you can go with the red, and then you can add a denim. And there is a shade called snow, which you can use it for white. What I have done is I have used sandstone pearl shimmer, glitter, not even shimmer. We have sandstone pearl shadow suns as a matte shade, we have as a shimmer shade, and we do carry the glitter shade too. So what I have done is I have used the glitter for the inner eye alone. So you can use this, or you can use the glacier glitter, which will be like a white white with glitters on it. You can use this too. So I have done like a like a gold shade, whereas you can do pure white. So these are some of the choices for doing that. And I have used denim, the blue pencil, the navy pencil for my lower waterline alone. To deepen the corner, I have used the navy pencil. Navy pencil is one of my favorite. Navy and green are the twos. I would say, like, it's if you have always done black, brown and all, these two will be really nice choice, because it will not be way out of your comfort zone, but still it will enhance the your eye look. So navy and green will be really nice. So I have done navy on my lower waterline alone, and I have used Starry Sky eyeliner. The same way you can use For example, if you have done only red and you don't know, you can use either the Ocean, which is a blue eyeliner, or you can even use any of these shadows as your eyeliner too. So you can do see the difference between Sapphire Shimmer and Ocean is not much, like it's very slight difference. You can even do either one of them as your eyeshadow. The same way you can use any of these shadow senses to line your waterline or even as eyeliner. So these are some of the choices. As I said, I have used Starry Sky, which is like a black with a little bit of glitters towards. That's the one I have used. And I have used the Lash Sense to condition my lashes, and then I have used one layer of non-waterproof and one layer of waterproof mascara for today's look. You can see the length and volume it has given to my lashes. So this is the look I have done, and I'm going to pick a red for my look. I'm going to do blue red because SeneGence has announced a sale from July 1st to July 4th on 2 lip colors with the 1 gloss. It is blue red. I don't have a blue jay, so the combination they have given is blue red, which is a red lip color, a blue jay, which is a blue color, like it will be almost similar to this one in a lip color. So you might be thinking where you will use it. For example, if you layer them, it will turn into a little purplish color. Even for example, a color like Fire and Ice or even a Kiss for a Cause, if you layer this kind of a blue underneath, it will turn into a like a plum to purple in between shades, like a magenta to anywhere between, based on how much you are adding to the color. You can either pre-mix or even you can do a layering combo. So the sale was for 2 lip colors with 1 gloss. The gloss is going to be silver glitter. When you store the gloss, if it is a glitter gloss, it always separates, but you can always shake it and mix it to you can mix the shade always. As I said, there is SeneGence doesn't add any chemicals to make sure it doesn't mix it. That's the reason it gets separated. But once you store it, for example, if you are storing it this way, once you store it, obviously with gravitational force, it gets mixed within few minutes. So the sale is going to be for a blue red with the blue jay with silver glitter gloss for $70. I mean, sorry, usually it's $70 because it's 25 and 20, but it's going to be for $59 from July 1st to July 5th. So even though it looks like it's a blue shade, you can pretty much pre-mix with any shade, any colors as such, because as I said, adding these colors will make you, because blue is obviously one of the base shade. It is one of the primary colors. So if you have seen the Rainbow Shadow Sense collection, you will understand why any makeup artist will get excited about it, because when you have a primary shades, you can pretty much make any shade out of it. It is like a watercolor, or even think of like a, how do you make like a canvas art color kind of, so acrylic paint. So similar to that, you can mix and match any colors. So that's the sale that's going to be going on. SeneGence carries pretty much so many reds. You have tons of options. I'm going to anyway do blue red to match my earring. I have a red, white, blue outfit. I have a white capris. I have a blue blue shirt and a red. So I'm going to do blue red, but I'm going to show you some of the options with red. We carry quite a lot of reds. For example, blue red and hurricane red will be really bright. They both are almost like fire engine reds, whereas one is a cool tone, one is a warm tone. So that's the difference. And I have a dancer friend who says that for her, any reds will not look from other brands will not look red. So when she tried blue red, she immediately picked it because she used to say any other color from any brand doesn't look red. Instead, they look like maroon or different shades. So she was so happy when she bought blue red. So if you are a performer and if you are a yeah, if you always wear reds, then blue red is a really good choice. And Fly Girl is all my first red from Lipsons. It's a permanent line. You might have seen the video recently. And Red Ruby is the one I have done. I think last week's Friday Get Ready video. Red Ruby is the only metallic red we have. So if you are a person who likes metallic shades, then obviously Red Ruby will be a choice. Then we have neutral and candy cane. Neutral will be little darker. For example, I can show you next to blue red. You can see the difference. For example, this is more of a deeper red, whereas this is like a more of a fire engine or a pop-up red, I would say. So it's based on your choice and what you like. And same way, candy cane is like another metallic, but it's not as shiny as what is it like Red Ruby, but still it has a bit of sheen to it, but not a lot. So then comes Rhubarb and Red Rose. These two have like a slight tint of orange to it. Even though they are red, they are like orange tinted. You can see Rhubarb. I can show you Rhubarb next to blue red. You can see it like, I mean, this will be pure red, whereas this has like a slight bit of orange tint to it. Same with Red Rose. Red Rose also has like a bit of orange undertone to it. So you can try all of these in our Sanalook app. That's the cool thing about it. So let's go ahead and start first applying blue red, and I will also show some other options in the meanwhile. So I'm going to first clean my lips. I always use witch hazel to clean my lips. And the next process is obviously shaking your Lipsons well. Lipsons or any of our product, I think in my climate control video also I was talking about it yesterday, because when you add extra chemicals to make sure to do this, that again going to spoil the product. Because for example, if you add emulsifiers, what it makes, it makes the skincare particles are bigger molecules. So when it is a bigger molecule, obviously it cannot penetrate deeper into your cellular level. That's why climate control doesn't have any emulsifiers, so that way it can penetrate deeper. Sorry about that, I got a spam call. How many of you get that? So I wiped, shaked it well, and being a red, always make sure you do it really slow. When you do a mistake with red, it's obvious. You can always clean it with oops remover, but I always make sure to make it like a very thin layer when it comes to red. That to a color like this, it's going to really pop. Even if you don't have even single makeup, this red will really pop. So this is going to be my first layer. Do you see, even with just one layer, how much it is bright? It's perfect for those days like where you are going out and celebrating. It makes you feel festive. So that's my first layer. See, for example, if you are not worried about it layer, I mean it's staying for 4 to 18 hours, you can just seal this with glossy. You don't even have to go up to 3 levels. And the other thing I wanted to talk about is, for example, if you think you are not a red person at all, like you are not going to use red lip sense often and you don't want to invest in this, the other cool way is to invest in a nude color like nude pink, nude honey, creamer, or anything that is really light. And just by adding a red gloss, you will still have a red lip on the days when you need it alone. That way you don't need a red lip sense. Instead you can just add a gloss that's really red. I have some choices. I picked a juicy cherry, I think this one is the red delicious, and this is scarlet. So these are some of the choices. We have tons of red glosses alone. So when I leave it for quite a bit, being a matte shade, this will dry out really really fast. And I'm going to do my second layer. So this is the trick with lip sense. Always make sure your wand is really really clean. You need like thin layers. That way your color will stay very well and it will not be streaky at all. And the other thing, if you think you have crease, it's like settling in your lines, make sure you stretch your lips a bit. That way it won't look as if it's settled in your wrinkles. So this is my second layer. So every time I just wipe it clean. And if you have a tingling, that's perfectly normal, because lip sense has a cosmetic grade alcohol in it. Because every time we are touching our lips and putting it back, that helps to prevent not having any bacteria built up in the lip color. And the more you wear, it starts to slow down, because it will start healing. Because for example, I don't have any tingling at all anymore. I don't remember even having it in my early days. But some people may notice it. But it's, for example, if your lips are chapped or if your lips are dry, that's when you may have the tingling sensation. But other than that, you won't have that irritation at all. And as I said, once you start healing with a lip balm, or even if you have a glossy gloss, you can wear it the days you don't wear lip sense too, or even any other glosses. Because what they do is they have vitamin E and shea butter, so that way they are going to help keep your lips moisturized even when you don't wear lip sense. So glossy glosses not only to seal the color, but also to make the color to have as a lip balm in your hand. So I'm going to do my third and final layer. So I like to overline a bit. That way your lips will look little bigger. And these earrings are from Shakti. I'm a very big lover of tassel earrings. If you never had a red lip sense, you should try once. Like, it will not only make your look really bright, but also it makes a bold statement. I really like it actually. Any reds is my favorite. So I have few choices. I thought either we can go with a red gloss, or I'm going to do a matte gloss, because I know I always do a glossy gloss person. I'm a glossy person obviously, because I really like it. You can either do seal a glossy and just wipe it off and apply matte gloss on top, or for today's look maybe I will just go ahead with the matte gloss. You can as I said, if you are going to go out and stay all day out, make sure you do glossy first, and seal the color, and then do a matte gloss. I have a long work ahead. I'm going out for my coloring appointment. You can see my grays are popping up. It's been 3 months, so my hairstylist Shana is also in the group, so I have an appointment with her for 1 o'clock today, so I have to go for that. So I already washed my hair, so I'm all ready for her. And I have a set of drop-offs for post office. As I said, the second round for July month's samples are heading out already. So if you want to try, you can always reach out to me. As I said, I will be sending out to each and every detail you need. Whatever questions you have, you can always reach out to me. And when you try the samples, there is no necessary that you should buy. And when you I just charge $10, because sometimes when you spend and get the samples, you will make sure you will give a try. So that is the reason I always do like a $10 one where, but you will get more value for it. And once you try the product, and if you are thinking to buy, I always deduct the amount from your order for the amount you paid for the samples. So you will never you are not going to lose anything. And as I said, for climate control and all, once you try, you will understand the difference between for example, if you have a dry skin, you will notice a tons of difference even with that 3 sachets. So let me go ahead and apply matte gloss. I'm still have to do the pink matte gloss post, like Divya asked for it. I have to plan one day for that post. Whenever I do matte gloss, I remember that actually. So the color is sealed. You can see the wand is clear. Like, I mean, even though this is such a bright lip color, it's not going to transfer. I always cannot resist myself whenever I do a red lip color. Without doing the smudge test, the red lip color doesn't feel complete to me. Whatever you do, whatever you do the whole day, it's not going to come out at all. So you will be set for the whole day, and not to worry about the color at all. Like, I mean, when you have a makeup that is going to stay all day, at the same time it's going to help your skin, why not give a try? So as I said, the sale is going to be from July 1st to 4th. Whenever it's from Senegence, they will give us the specific dates, so it works only with that. So this sale is from Senegence, so it's for Blue Red, Blue J Lip Sense. As I said, it will be think as this color. So it will be like a blue red lip sense, Blue J Lip Sense with a silver glitter gloss. So usually it's $70, and now it's for $59 for only these 4 days. So if you want, you can always grab it from my website, or you can ping me. I can order and ship it to you guys. So it will be a pre-order, because since it's running for a certain number of period, I will always try to collect the orders throughout the time and place a order at the end. That way I can ship it once it reaches to me. So that's all for today. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon in another video.